Hey fitness friends, Diane Bolin here. I have for you today a workout that is lower body focused. We're going to work on strengthening our legs, our knees, our hips, and it's going to be gentle on the upper body in case you might have some shoulder issues or elbow issues and you don't want to do any kind of overhead weight work. So lower body focus today, but it'll give you a great workout. So stay with me and let's get started. Here we go. We're just doing a gentle calf raise here up on your toes. Kind of use your hands like you were going to jump. You can bend your knees a little bit if you want. If your knees aren't feeling so great, you don't have to. Doing 30 seconds of work here and then right into the next thing. Pick up your dumbbell. Get into squat position. We're going to go into goblet squats. First round, we're just going to do quarter squats, nice and easy. Pick up your second dumbbell. For our side lunges, hinge your hips back. Straighten your one leg, bend your other knee. If the weights are too much, you just put your hands up. You don't need weights at all. These 30 seconds go quickly. Put one dumbbell down. Going into our sumo deadlift. Hinge back with your hips. Remember, this is a deadlift, not a squat. So although our knees are bent, we're also hinging from the hips. And put down your dumbbell into our curtsy lunge. And you can just put one leg in back of the other in a more gentle way if your range of motion isn't quite as good today. Or we can get right into it, into that deep curtsy. Back to the top of the order, calf raise. Maybe this time a little deeper, or a little higher on your toes. Through these movements, don't forget to breathe. Pick up your dumbbell into that goblet squat. Try to go a little deeper this time. Keep the weight close to your chest. Pick up your other weight. Get ready for those side lunges. Hinge your hips back as you go to the side. Nice flat back. We're working the inside of our legs here. Put one dumbbell down. Sumo deadlift position. Neutral back, neutral neck. Remember, it's not a squat, it's a deadlift. Your knees will be bent, but there's a good hip hinge in there as well. Put that dumbbell down and back into our curtsy lunge, or curtsy squat, sometimes called. And remember, modify this as you needed. The idea is to get one leg behind the other. One round complete. Here we go. Set number 2. Up on those toes. Pick up one dumbbell. Get ready for the goblet squats. Pick your depth on these squats. Whatever have available to you today is what you're going to do. We're in set number 2, so if the weight seems a little much, put the weight down and just grab your hands. Picking up second dumbbell, getting ready for our side lunges. Hinge those hips back. Adjust your feet as you need to. Put one dumbbell down. Sumo stance. Sumo deadlift. You're aiming to go either to your knees or slightly lower with the dumbbell. Whatever you have available to you today. We're going to put that dumbbell down and go into our curtsy lunge or curtsy squat. And remember, you can just sidestep it back if you need to, or go deeper. Ready for our last round. Calf raises with the arms. Picking up your dumbbell. Get ready for your goblet squat. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale and exhale. Picking up your second dumbbell. Getting ready for our side lunges. Working on the insides of those thighs. A muscle we don't often work, but is very important. Putting both of them down and going into our curtsy lunge. Last movement. Breathe it out. And workout is complete. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the notification button and the little bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. This really helps me to bring you the content that you, my viewers, have requested. Speaking of which, drop comments below. I do use those comments to decide what I'm going to create next because, after all, I'm here for you, so I want to create what's meaningful to you. So drop me those comments, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, see you next time online.